Okay, let's divide some polynomials. On this one, I'm going to elect to use synthetic division. And why I'm allowed to do that is we're dividing by a 1x to the first power plus or minus a number here. On this one, it's a little bit challenging. Not that it looks like a difficult problem, but the setup is everything on the synthetic division. The process itself really isn't that bad, but it's all about the setup. So we're dividing by x minus 5. Basically, we want to figure out if we set this equal to 0, we could solve down and it'd be a positive 5. Well, we need a positive 5 out in front of our synthetic division. Then up above here, we're going to put whatever's in the dividend, whatever we're dividing by the other polynomial. But on this, it's all about the setup, like I said. You'll notice here that we have 1x cubed, so that gives us a 1. The coefficient here that's going to go up above. But then we skip over a couple powers of x. We don't have an x squared term. So we need 0 x squareds. We don't have an x to the first power term. We need 0 x to the first powers. And then our constant is negative 126 is going to go last. If we not put these zeros in, we're going to get to the wrong division, the wrong quotient in the end. All right, so now that we've set it up, what we want to do is you want to bring down this first digit, the 1. Then the process goes multiply, add, multiply, add. Pretty easy, just keep repeating it. So 5 is what we're always going to multiply by on this one because it's the number out in front. So 5 times 1 is 5. That goes in this spot. Then we add vertically. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Back to multiplying. 5 times 5 is 25. Adding 0 plus 25 is 25. Multiply. 5 times 25 is 125. Back to adding, negative 126 plus 125 is negative 1. Okay, now as far as reading our solution out, we've done the synthetic division. We just need to get our solution out of this. This very last number, that's going to be our remainder each time. And everything else here goes as our quotient. So the number next to the remainder is a constant. And then we count up powers of x. So x to the first, x squared. So we can write out our quotient as 1x squared plus 5x to the first plus 25. And then usually at the end here, that's our quotient. We have the remainder over the divisor. So I'm going to say plus the negative 1, or instead of plus a negative 1, I'm going to move that negative out in front. Over the divisor, we divided by x minus 5. So that's a nice solution for this division of polynomials, quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. All right, hope this helps out. Just be careful on the setup. That's the biggest key on these. It's not like multiplying and adding is that difficult, but if you can forget these zeros for the x squared and the x to the first power terms, you're not going to get to the right answer. All right, good luck with synthetic division. Hope this helps.